Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use WeTransfer to send files step by step. WeTransfer is a free online service that lets you send large files quickly and easily. So let's get started. First, open your web browser. Next, go to the WeTransfer website. If prompted, accept the terms and cookies. Next, click Upload Files. Select the file or files you want to send. Then click Open. Wait for your files to finish uploading. Next, choose how you want to share your files. You can select Get a Link or Send an Email. If you choose Get a Link, click Get Link. Wait for WeTransfer to generate the download link. Then click Copy Link. Now, send the link to anyone using email, WhatsApp, Telegram, or any messaging app. If you choose Send an Email, enter your recipient's email address. Then enter your own email address. Add a message if you want. Next, click Transfer. Your recipient will receive an email with a link to download the files. And that's it. You've successfully sent files using WeTransfer. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more technology tutorials and tips. See you in the next video.